A new era of mobile is here with Galaxy AI. Presenting the S24 Ultra, the first Samsung Galaxy AI phone.
Galaxy AI? I don't get it.
Well, guess I'm gonna have to show them. Follow me for a live demo of our first feature, Circle to Search. It's a new way to find what you're looking for using just your finger. All you gotta do is circle it and find it. Find what? The lamp. Let me show you more. Landmarks. Circle it, find it.
Ooh, landmarks.
Thingamajigs. Whatchamacallits. Just circle it.
Cool.
I know.
Whoa, I think I get it.
Good. Next feature. With Live Translate, I can speak a bunch of languages with my own real-time translator. Let me call one of the engineers from Korea and show you.
여보세요? Hello.
Gina, hey, how are you?
난 잘 지내지.
I'm doing well.
So, I need an expert to tell Stuart about the amazing processor.
나한테 그 완벽한 영상 있어.
Oh, I have the perfect video.
This is the Ultra's new processor, Stuart. With our fastest NPU for seamless, efficient AI processing, and an enhanced GPU and CPU for epic gameplay.
Oh, sorry, I was just gaming. Check this out. So, dude, this processor gives you the best ray tracing for the most hyper-realistic graphics ever on Ultra.
Nice.
Plus, it's easy to stay chill with Galaxy's biggest vapor chamber yet. All right, playtime's over.
Aw.
'Cause it's design time.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that. AI smart, meet titanium tough,
Can I touch it?
with an enhanced, anti-reflective, scratch-resistant display. Dude, you ruined the beauty shot.
Just wanted to say, whoa.
You could have just said that. Moving on, camera. So get this, the new Pro Visual engine uses AI to deliver amazing colors, extreme detail, and easier editing. The first quad telesystem enables 4 levels of optical quality zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom, all enhanced by AI. Oh, and it's got a new zoom sensor with 60% bigger pixels and a wider OIS. So you can shoot ultra-stable 8K videos and 50 megapixel photos. Watch this. Whoa! With the S24's enhanced nightography, it's easy to shoot far, even in the dark. Then, you can resize and retouch your snap in a snap with generative edit.
Wordplay.
Boom. So there you have it, Stuart. Galaxy AI is here. And it's a whole new way to do epic things. Just like that. So, do you get it now?
Whoa, there's so much I
Don't worry. I summarized it for you.